What's up, guys?
So, ngayon tayo ay may gagawin tayo at slime mga ating pag-uusapan. Ano bang, parang i-rate namin yung slime store but slime. So, let's get started.
Wow. So, tingnan natin, guys. Let's go. And guys, ayun yung binili namin. And guess what? How much kung magkano ba siya, guys? Unboxing!
I'm so excited, guys.
Oh, me too.
This is our first slime.
Oh,
ever.
yes. And mamaya, i-guess nyo kung magkano siya. And, ayun lang. Guess lang kung how much siya.
Yan, guys. Ito yung one. And,
Oh! Wow! Nice. Oh, ang ganda.
so
Wow!
this is the pink and green.
Oh! So nice. Wow! Ganda.
I think.
Oh!
So, guys, we have 4.
Wow! And guys, ayun din
Ito.
yung color niya. So, as the same as niyan. Ayun yung dalawang.
Magkapareho, guys.
Na-
Tapos
oh, yes.
ito parang ma-brownish to, guys.
Yeah.
Tsaka ito parang
It's the same.
soda siya, guys, na
Yan,
color.
ganyan siya. Wow. Guys, napakita na namin yung... So, eto. Napakita na namin to. Ayan. Oh! Wow! Oh!
Good.
So, ang next naman na slime is ipapakita namin yung mga yummy. Like this one.
It's like real watermelon, guys.
Like, is this guava?
No, it's kiwi.
Okay.
Orange and lemon.
Oh.
It's like the same.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Saan nanggaling yung guava?
It's kiwi, guys. It's
Oh, sana all
kiwi.
matalino.
And it's a clear slime and some glitter.
Wow.
And stretch it slow.
So we have...
guys, this kiwi guava.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Mirror like
Yeah.
thing. And
The next one
let's
is...
go to the shape.
Wow!
Because this is like a real one.
Our
a
last
yellow.
one.
It's so clear to guys, but it has some air bubbles.
So, natapos na natin tong pag-unbox ng
So,
ating
guys,
slimes.
Ang tagal-tagal ko
So,
naglaro nito, guys. Kasi
Ayan.
it's so
Oh,
good.
Guwaba muna kayo dyan. So, kiwi. Ano ba yan, Joyce? You're so lutang talaga. Okay.
Wait just a
So,
minute. Hear this.
Wow. Wow. Okay. And that's the end of our slime video. Babush!